This is a beautiful car.
What's up, YouTube? Hope you're doing well out there. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to start a brand new series that I'm going to call Behind the Wheel. Now, we know that car people, they're just a special breed of human being. Cars aren't just point A to B transportation for us. They often reflect our passions, who we are, and kind of our own personal styles. So I started thinking, what better way to celebrate car culture than to feature a car and its owner? So in this very first episode, I present to you someone who goes by the name of Pedestrian Punisher. It's a pretty great play on words with all the, crowds getting attacked by Mustangs and all those types of memes. Now, I've been following this build for a while on social media, and I finally got the opportunity to meet the owner in person at a recent car show. And the car it's just amazing. It's one of those cars where the more you look at it, the more you spot minor details. And the coolest thing to me is that he told me this was his first car. And it kind of evolved into this incredible Mustang. I'm gonna let the owner take it from here.
What's up? This is my 2001 Mustang GT. It's a 99 Cobra block and heads and cam, and it's all forged internals, MMR rods, DSS pistons. It has a 0304 Cobra Eaton blower on top of it with a port job on it, ported throttle body, ported elbow, 4-pound lower, 2.8 upper. I built the motor in my kitchen and put it in my dad's shop. It has a T-56 Magnum with face-plated gears, straight cut gears as well, and it's pretty much just a Cobra conversion to a GT. Made 460 at the tire, 470 for torque on a 90-degree day while it was raining on a half-done tune, so we'll see what it makes when it gets done. But she's got long tube headers, catless H-pipe, boreless stingers, and open for 11s at the track.
So let me know what you think. Do you like this series? Would you like to see more cars told from the owner's point of view and kind of the story of the car? Because I think even more impressive than the technical specs of a car is the story of how it got there. And if you like this build and want to follow more, make sure that you follow Pedestrian Punisher on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button to get all the latest content here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.